destroy the name that was given to me by my parents. The Bible says a good name should be chosen in great riches. Nalaki po ako ng magulang ko na naniniwala ko sa langit at impyerno. But when you die here on earth, you will face your Creator and immediately the judgment. Pinalaki po ako ng magulang ko na sa impyerno, wala akong graduation. Pag ikaw ay pinarusahan ng Diyos, wala akong graduation. My duty has always been to serve our kababayan. Lalong-lalo na po ang mga kababayan kong Bulakenyo who suffer from flooding year after year. That is where my focus remains, finding real solutions, not engaging in black propaganda. I will not be distracted by lies. And instead, I affirm my commitment to the work that truly matters, serving our people, honestly.
No, 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 no.
Marinig at makita right before our very eyes yung pong mga hindi ko kayang sabihin na malademonyong proyekto. Taon ko na po ito. Sinasabi itong mga kalokohan sa flood control program. Inahasa po ng flood control program ng gobyerno ang aming lalawigan sa Bulacan.
Mr. Diskaya, sa dami-dami mong binanggit na pangalan na kongresista, isa lang tanong ko, Senador, meron ba?
Your Honor, wala po.
So, sigurado ka? Safe ka na?
Sigurado po.